अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्टार्ट करते हैं ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 3 पेज 10 के ऊपर पोइम है रॉबिन। तो पहले हम पढ़ते हैं वर्ड्स टू नो। ऑटम मौसम ख़ज़ां, माइट ताकत, स्ट्रेंथ, प्रेज शुक्र तारीफ़ करना अल्लाह ताला की, विंट्री जाड़े का मौसम, सर्द मौसम। रॉबिन sang sweetly when the days were bright। रॉबिन सुरीली आवाज़ में गाता जब दिन चमकदार होते। थैंक्स थैंक्स फॉर समर ही sang with all his might। वो अपनी तमाम ताकत के साथ गाता और गर्मियों का शुक्र अदा करता। माइट मीन ताकत, स्ट्रेंथ। रॉबिन sang sweetly in the autumn days। रॉबिन सुरीली आवाज़ में गाता खिज़ां के दिनों में। There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise। जब सबके लिए फल मुयस्सर होते हैं वो कहता आओ सब अल्लाह ताला की हमदुस्तां करें, तारीफ़ करें। In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song। सर्दियों के मौसम में अभी तक हम उसका गाना सुन सकते हैं। Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long। किसी न किसी को ज़रूर गाना चाहिए वरना मौसम सरमा हमें लंबा लगने लगेगा। ये किसने कहा? रॉबिन ने। When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go। जब मौसम बहार दोबारा आया उसने गाया और तुम्हें बताया कि सर्दियों में गाना जारी रखो वरना ये मौसम हमेशा की तरह गुजर जाएगा। तो अब हम आते हैं इसकी एक्सरसाइज पर, पेज 11 पर। What are the 4 seasons? The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn and winter. When does Robin sings with all his might? Robin sings with all his might in the summer. What does Robin says about autumn? Robin says about autumn that in this season there are fruits we should praise at that time. When can we still hear Robin's song? We still hear Robin's song in the cold and wintry days. What does Robin say in the spring? In the spring, Robin says, keep on singing through the winter before it will go. Next, do you think Robin is a happy bird? Why? Yes, I think Robin is happy bird because he was very hopeful for coming seasons, so he sings throughout the year. Which of the following words best describe Robin? Say why. Care, clever, hopeful, sorrowful. The word hopeful describes Robin in best way because he sings happy songs and he knows that spring will return even when the winter might seem cold and long. Say which of the following is true and false about the poem. Robin sang sweetly throughout the year. Right. टिक लगा दें। Robin sang with all his might in the winter. No, in the summer था तो ये क्रॉस हो गया। Robin says we should all give praise in the spring. No, autumn था तो यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगा दें। Robin stopped singing in the cold. No stopped. He's not stopped. क्रॉस लगा दें। What summer comes immediately after autumn? No, summer comes after spring. तो that is wrong. अच्छा, अब इस पे आते हैं। Answer the questions about these 2 lines taken from the poem. In the cold and wintry weather, still here is his song. Who is singing? Robin is singing. What does the word still tell us about the singer? Robin has been singing all along through spring, summer and autumn and now in the winter too. He is still singing. What reason does the singer give for singing during the winter? Somebody must sing or winter will seem long. Now come on this page. Write opposites for these words. Never, इसका opposite लिखें. Always, no one, everyone. Quickly, slowly. Liked, इसका disliked भी हो सकता है और hated भी. Friend, enemy. Went, came. Come, go. Foolish, clever. अब हम आते हैं इस पे. ये हमने A और B को आपस में मैच करना है. As dark as night. As good as gold. As sweet as honey. As hardworking as donkey. Complete the following sentences in your own words. ये आप अपनी पसंद के भी sentences बना सकते हैं और मैं आपको examples दे देती हूँ. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. When autumn comes, let us all give praise. I shall go when spring arrives. When he returns, tell him to see me. अब हम आते हैं, ये राइमी वर्ड्स हैं. पोइम के अंदर से आपने ढूंढ के इसके साथ मैच करने हैं. Neatly, sweetly. Banks, thanks. Light, might. Haze, always. Roots, fruits. Rolled, told. Dream, seem. Few, you. Leather, weather. Bore, for. Leap, keep. Fair, hair. तो ये आपकी रॉबिन की एक्सरसाइज हो गई कंप्लीट. थैंक यू.